Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to install towing hook. In the beginning, take a look at the trunk. Right here you should have towing hook. Actually we've got two. Let's check if they are the same. And it looks like they are the same. Prepare one hook, and right here on the back bumper we've got this cover. Push it, take your hook, and now install it. To install it, you have to find the hole and screw it in. Remember to secure it tightly, and it's done. You can do the same thing on the front in case you need to be towed. The hole is located here. Push it from the left side, and now you can install the hook. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.